Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kapwing AI to automate video subtitles and resizing step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the Kapwing website. Sign in to your Kapwing account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, click on the Start Editing button to access the Kapwing Studio. Upload your video file by clicking the Upload button or by dragging and dropping your video into the upload area. Wait for your video to process completely before moving on to the next step. Once your video is uploaded, locate the Subtitles tab in the Editor toolbar on the left. Click on the Subtitles tab to open the subtitle options. Select the Auto-Generate option to let Kapwing create subtitles automatically. Choose your video's language from the drop-down menu, then click on Auto-Generate again. Kapwing will begin processing your video to generate subtitles. Allow a few moments for the process to complete. After the subtitles are generated, review them for accuracy. Edit any parts of the subtitles that are incorrect or need adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the subtitles, click on the Resize button in the Editor toolbar. Choose a preset aspect ratio based on your desired platform, or input custom dimensions. Preview how the video looks with the new size. If adjustments are needed, make them in the resizing options. After finalizing the size, click on the Export button to save your video. Select your video quality preferences, then click on Export Video. Wait for the video to export, and it will be ready for download. Now you've successfully set up Kapwing AI to automate video subtitles and resizing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.